We're gonna jump like over there. Okay.
No.
Your heart beating.
Yeah.
So we've come to the 7 waterfalls hike. We've got a guide that's going to help us do this hike. Apparently you need a guide to do the hike.
Oh. Yeah.
So this is starving. We have guava.
So off we pop, into the jungle we go. So Mauritius has quite a dog problem, and it's just the dog on the hike. Hello, Poopy. Hello, Poopy. It's my friend. You're my friend. Hey? Back on the hike. Get her. I see why it takes the whole day to do all 7. Ain't nobody got time for that. You'll be hiking all day. Like if you didn't have the roots, you stuffed. No way, my dog's here. Yeah, boy. He came all the way. This dude's now following me down this whole hike. Hey, big boy. Oh, it's a girl. My bad. This hike is crazy. Shit, I was telling my mom that it's gonna be fine. You know, it's pretty hectic. Sorry, Ma.
Let's go, you follow me.
I don't know. I'm so jump with you.
Yeah, you can. See where the rocks go in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna jump like over there. Okay.
No.
Your heart beating.
Yeah.
Must I go first? If I go, will you follow me?
Maybe.
You want me to do it on my own?
No, don't leave me yet.
Okay.
Leave my head.
I know, but the longer we stay here, the worse
Okay.
it is.
Okay.
Okay.
No. No.
If I commit, you just commit.
Okay.
Okay.
No, wait.
You know when you jump the bike, you must commit. You got it, T-Dog. Just send it. You gotta push off hard. You got it, T. Woo! Well done. That's okay. Yeah. Glad you did that.
Yes.
It was nice, eh?
It was nice.
What am I supposed to use? I don't. She's got 4 legs. I don't have 4. Honey, I'm going down.
Take my hand!
Vicky leg day.
Levi and his dog.
Right, guys. Welcome to my episode of Bear Grylls in Mauritius. We are tackling. Oh my God! Here comes a 4-legged spirit. I don't know what to say. I forgot my lines.
You know, behind every great survivalist on Nat Geo is an even more impressive cameraman.
Good energy.
Good energy.
Thank you.
good then. This way.
Oh, it's sweet, man.
Yeah. Canada out.
Yeah, it tastes like kind of.
Thanks.
Thank you.
On the good touch.
Thanks. Guys, we had one adrenaline activity which was nice.
I was totally adrenalized by that.
I'm sure that was more anxiety.
Oh my god, okay. Especially because she took so long to decide.
I was scared, but that's the fun thing about fear.
Guys,
Yeah.
Once you,
Yeah, it's my dog, I know.
yeah, Levi.
But the whole gang is coming. So that was the 7 Cascades waterfall. Now, Leviticus needs lunch. As per the usual.
will you drive?
Boop.
Will you drive for now?
Fast and the Furious is about to set off and take us to get food. Bye, big girl. Bye, big girl. We'll see you another time. Okay, big girl. See you another time.